Hey everybody, welcome back to NVS Rides. We're here with the 76 Suburban. The video you're about to see was filmed 2 years ago. My bad, dropped the ball on that one. It's been sitting on my hard drive, and man, I really like this vehicle. So what you'll see here, you'll see that vehicle there. It will have the saw blades. It did not have those wheels then. This was not polished up. So some things have happened to this, but I cannot believe I forgot these. These are some of my favorite headlights. I really wish they just sponsor me. I think every vehicle that can have these has these, and I just like them. I like how they look. They're a really clean look. They don't look too bad. I mean, I'd like a stock with an LED as well, but these just don't look bad. So let's cut to the point where I'm going to start installing these. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you can, hit that thumbs up. We'll have at the end some before and after. I'll try and title them at the bottom. Driving footage with the stock bulbs. I guess the stock housing, because they're not just bulbs, versus these upgraded LED housings. And I hope you enjoy it. If you get these, winter's coming. You're going to like it. See you soon. All right, so here we go. We've got the old headlights. Just open up the new box. Very basic instructions. Nothing too fancy. Here they are. Nice plastic to peel back. So far 4 screws. I'm sure there might be one more I'm missing here, maybe not. Oh, 5 screws. Sorry, missing that one. That'll come out, and then you'll be able to get this ring off, and then the light will come out. I'm trying to see if we have, yeah, we'll just be unplugging that right there and we'll be good to go. So I'll when I get this light pulled out, I'll show you. All right, so here's that piece. Got your 5 screws, 4 around there, 1 right there. I always use a magnet tray right there. And then here's the light. You'll have 1 there, usually 3, 2, 3 you'll undo. Light will come out, unhook it. Looks like we got a little buildup of some junk back behind here. Like mold. Maybe not mold, who knows what it is, but we'll get those 3 out and we should be good to go. There's the manly horn. Gotta love it. And anything with that badge on it should have a big horn, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, let's get these out. 3 screws. All right, so this one has a little bit of a different thing that I've seen before. It sucks right up to the back of the light. It took a little bit to get it off, nothing too crazy. Yeah, here's your beauty ring, or your holding ring. Here's new lights. We're gonna set those in, and then this will go around the outside of that light, and then we'll peel the, I'll probably peel the paper off a little bit, but I'll get that started and then show you with it in. It should look good. I've always done these lights so that the DOT SAE is at the top. I think that's how it looks the best and works the best. So we'll go from there. There, you want to push the light in, get it where you want, and then slide the ring over. Not a bad deal. Then you can pull this plastic off, and then as you see here in the back, you will connect that to the new wire. So good to go on that one. All right, I found that to be a little bit trickier of a plug. I had to start the bottom first and then work the sides in. Other than that, it was good. We'll hang that down like that. Water, if anything comes in here, can just run over the edge of that. Lights in. You might need to be turned just a bit, but it is pretty straight. Like I said, it's got to get just a little bit like that. And then we'll get this cover back on, and then we'll go do the other side. You can see the difference there. I guess I could even just hold these 2 up side by side. So these weren't terrible, they just weren't good. So, and I like how those look. All right, and just like that, we got the new lights on. And Cammie's over there playing with dirt while I'm filming, which is cool. But we got the new lights in. They look pretty good. We'll take you out tonight and let you see them. I think it was 8 screws on this one and 1 less on this one, so 7 on that one, because this guy was missing this screw down here. But overall pretty easy. This one over here I had to put in different than that. because the battery is right there. And this battery looks like it belongs on a lawnmower, not a 454. But it is what it is, and we'll get you out and let you see it. All right, so we are in the 76 Suburban, and here's your regular beams. There's your brights. They do a pretty good job. These are just standard headlights. I am going to upgrade them to LEDs. I do love how this vehicle sounds. It sounds like a muscle car, and I love it. As you can see there, you don't even see the road till you're even with the brights on here. It's a little better, but you can't see. And when you're driving these cars, you've got so many other things you need to watch, like the gauges, the road, because they usually don't track super straight. They're not terrible, but you've got a lot to do when you're driving this. The last thing you need to do is be trying to guess what's out in front of you. So as you can see here, the road is turning. I know how it turns, or else I would probably have had to slow down even slower than 10 miles an hour. And that's, oh, someone's coming at me. Here you go. Look, now I've got my crap beams on and I can't see that there's a mailbox there till it's too late. And there's a fork in the road. So let me get turned around here. We'll find a spot to kind of compare. And then tomorrow. All right, so here I am driving it. Not super impressed yet. This has probably been the least impressed I've been with these upgrades. And the reason being is the headlights are adjusted just a little too high. So we definitely are going to need to go and adjust these down. But I do feel like I can see better, just not the road. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So I'm going to adjust these and we will refilm this tomorrow. Okay, I'm not sure if I'll use this. You can kind of see, sorry, there's some bugs there. You can kind of see the back of the Cadillac. So let's hit the brights. Now there's another vehicle that has emerged. So it's definitely a big difference. But you can't drive around with your brights on. So as I creep up here, when does that other vehicle actually show up? Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get something. But by that point, I'm within, I would say, 100 feet of it before it showed up. 100 to 150 feet, so not good. All right, so here's a little sneak peek at the lights. Honestly, I think they need to go up a little bit, but when you're out driving, they're not bad. But when you hit those brights, yeah, they definitely need to go up just a bit, but we're also pointed down. I feel like I can see a lot better than the old lights, which I'm happy with. If I can, I'll try and get you a driving clip, if not today and on another video. But I really like these lights. The phone isn't picking up the light that it's putting out, sadly. I don't know why, it just usually doesn't. So with that, I think you ought to snag these if you are into this round-eyed square body. They're a pretty good deal. Links down below. I don't